Hello and welcome. If you just joined me for the first time, my name is David Oisamoje. Yes, you heard me right. My channel is all about designs, creating design inspiration for you guys. If you guys are serious about print on demand and making passive income from print on demand, I create this design so that you can see how easy it is to create such design for yourself without paying someone else to design for you, saving costs and making more profit from your print on demand store. So if this is something that interests you, make sure you hit the subscribe button and make sure you like, share this video. And I would advise you watch to the very end, and in some part of the video I'm going to show you how to get Canva Pro free for 30 days on me. If you've not already gotten that for yourself, I'm going to show you how to get that. So please stick around. Let's get straight right into it. So we're going to be using canva.com for this design. So I'm opening my canva.com. Canva.com is a browser graphics design tool, just in case you don't know that already. So you don't need to download any software, just using your Chrome browser you're good to go. So let's hit on create a design, custom dimension, standard 4500 by 5400. Yes, you heard me right. Let's click on create a design. So for this one, we're going to be going simple, like you already know, not complicated design. All my design is going to be done on Canva. I'm not going to be doing anything outside of Canva, so it's going to be done on Canva. So let's start with text. You click on your text, come to add an headline. Okay, so for this, I'm just going to do, I am too old. Okay, so now we have this. It says I am too old. Okay, so now we just move this upwards. Just move this upwards. It says I am too old. So I like to change the color. Okay, I can decide to change the background color to black. Okay, and change the font to white. Okay. Okay, so we've done that. So I am too old. So now I'm going to duplicate this. To do that, I'm going to click on it, press on my Alt key button, my left mouse key button, and just drag downwards. Okay, reduce the size a bit, like so. Double tap, Control A, to look for this. Make sure you stick around, don't click up, Okay, so now we'll have this. We'll just position it, move it around so that it gets to that middle. You can see that middle line. Okay, so now we're going to duplicate this again. Click on that, press your Alt key button, your Shift key button, and just drag them downwards like so. You're going to Control A and just change the font. Let's change the font to something else. Okay, so it says I am too old for this. Okay, sorry, we've not changed the right up. I want to change right up to shape. Okay, so now you can see, so we have it like so, just the way we want it. We're not done yet. So now we'll go to elements and type ghost. Okay, so just type ghost and find a cool looking ghost. Okay, we'll use this one. You can find some other ones. You can find some other ones. You can start to use this. Change the eyes to white. Okay, so change the eyes to white. You can decide to change the ghost to white and change the other one just the way you want it to be. So now you can see you have your ghost in your shirt. Okay, so it says I am too old for this shit. So you can see it's a simple ghost. You can make the ghost bigger. Okay, can make the ghost bigger, the feeling in your chest and your face. Okay, just like so. So now you have it, you can move this just to balance it. Okay, move your sheet too, just like that. You can try to put it side by side like this and move it like this and move this like this. Okay, or I'll prepare it the other way. Prepare it like this. So I'm just gonna move this to this point and move this to this point. Just move it around till you get a cool feeling to your shirt and you're okay with it. So I can decide to add a cut or a line, something. So you can just, you see a lot of ghosts like this ghost too. Okay, so I can just remove this one under and use this ghost. Okay, so you can see I can use this ghost instead and just move this downwards. Okay, and just position it in the middle like that, and position this just underneath it. Okay, so you see it says I'm too old for this shade. It did not take us too much of time to get this done. It didn't take us a lot of time to get this done. We are just about 6 minutes into this design and you can see how easy it is to get this design done. We can also decide to use this one. Can decide to use this one also. You could change that to white or blue or any. Okay, so you can decide to use this instead. Just make sure you use something unique, so you can delete this and use this instead. Okay, this looks like a sad ghost, so you can decide to use this instead. So it looks like a tired ghost. Okay, so now you can just move this and move this down like so, and you can see it says I am too old for this shit. So you see that. Now to get Canva Pro, make sure you check the first link in the description, the very first link in the description to get Canva Pro for yourself. If you're serious about print on demand, then get Canva Pro for yourself and get this design for yourself. As you can see, some are paid, some are pro. The ones with the crown are paid, the paid ones you can use, and so much and so forth. So a lot of design you can choose from. So check the first link in the description to get Canva Pro. Secondly, to get rid of this black background, all you have to do is to come to download and click on transparent background. But you can't do it if you're on the free version. So make sure you get the Canva Pro from the first link in the description to get this for yourself. Hit download. As you can see, my own thumbnail already have the background of the design for myself. So as you can see, we can just go and check this out for ourselves. As you can see, this is it. We just have to click on it and see it says I'm too old for this shit. It's a funny design, funny t-shirt, and we're good to go. So to your right, you see a playlist. Make sure you watch that playlist if you're serious about print on demand. And with that said, I'm going to see you on the next one. Stay blessed. One love.